Hi guys. So I am going to teach you a makerspace activity. All right. I know all of you love to walk by my desk and play with the glitter bottles, right? Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. I'm not teaching you how to make this one because it's made with magic. But I am going to teach you how to make something similar. And hopefully you have a lot of these products at home. So maybe. If not, you can order them on Amazon or Walmart, get them delivered at home. Do not go out. Hashtag Ray stay home. Okay? All right. What you're going to need is clear plastic bottle, water bottles, soda bottles. These are a tonic bottle. Okay? I also have these shaped bottles, which are what my yogurt comes in. All right? Make sure they're clear though. Some of these yogurt bottles are kind of like white, so make sure it's a clear bottle. I'm going to be using this one. All right, you're going to need water, and you're going to need either baby oil. I like baby oil because it's clear, but you can also use just regular cooking oil, which is yellow. Keep in mind that when you use the food coloring on it, because it's yellow, it might change the color. You know, it's not going to be exactly right, so keep in mind the color wheel. All right, I'm using baby oil because it's clear. Okay, and then you're going to need glitter. I'm using extra fine glitter because that's what makes it fall so slowly and sparkle so nicely. Ooh, see how slowly it's falling? Ah, sparkle, sparkle. Okay, if it's extra fine glitter, then it falls slowly. If it's regular glitter, then it's going to just fall quickly. All right, and then food coloring drops. I'm going to use a turquoise and a dark blue, so I make it Ocean Bay colors. All right? Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bottle and I'm going to take my baby oil, which has a childproof top. Yeah, really childproof top. There we go. And I'm going to fill it about halfway. Good grief, that's going to take a while. If I had been smart, I would have pre-filled this so we were ready to go. All right, halfway. We're getting there. We're getting there. There we go, about halfway. All right. Wipe it off so it's not all sticky and icky. Yeah, good enough. All right, now I'm going to take my turquoise color. Guys, don't go crazy with the colors, right? When you're adding food coloring, a little goes a super long way. One drop in there, one drop. That's all I added. Putting the lid on. I'm gonna shake it up. Okay, nothing really happened because food coloring is water-based. Water and oil don't mix, so you might not be able to color the oil. Live and learn. Miss Lily probably would have told me that if I had, thought ahead here. Yeah, see, look. It actually didn't do anything if I had thought ahead. Okay. Oh well, I learned. Okay, so now I'm taking the lid off. And now I'm going to add my glitter. I'm adding the glitter. You can be as generous as you want. Woohoo! Add as much glitter in there as you want. You know I love glitter. I love all things sparkly. Yeah, I added the glitter. I added a lot. You know what, let's add more. These are dark times, people. We need all the sparkly fun we can get. All right. So now, there we go. I added the glitter. So now, I'm going to turn on my faucet. And I'm going to fill the rest of it with water. There we go. Ooh, it's already kind of fun looking, isn't it? Ha ha! Okay, so now I'm going back to my food coloring. Oh my gosh, I got glitter all over my hands. I love it! Ah! Okay, now I'm going to go to the dark color. Although, I'll get it right now. Okay, so see, remember that turquoise color I added in there? It's kind of going in the water. I'm going to add my blue. Ooh, look at it falling right down to the bottom. I think I added like 2-3 drops. I'm going to add another one. Okay, a little goes a long way. Mackenzie, I might be talking to you. Okay, I'll put my lid on. Give it a good shake. Look at how sparkly it is. Now what you're going to notice as you do this, hopefully I did it right, is notice there at the top how it's starting to separate. We're getting a distinct line there. That's because the oil is at the top and that's starting to fall. And you've got a whole bunch of like little bubbles and stuff. There's bubbles all over in this. See that? It's got all sorts of bubbles. Ooh, there's some good bubbles that you can kind of see. Turn it sideways and roam it around. So that one is a really fun glitter bottle to make because as it settles, and then look at the bottom, you can see where it's really dark. You got it kind of separated there. So as it settles, you'll see that it gets darker at the bottom as the water settles, clear at the top, and it'll all just start settling down. And you've got your oil at the top, you've got your bubbles there in the middle, but those will start popping, and the glitter will form a layer in the middle. And you've got your own glitter bottle that you can play with whenever you want. Now I highly recommend, I'm going to add a little more water so it goes up to the top. I highly recommend that you glue your lid. Okay, put some glue on this so that it doesn't open. Okay. Look there, it's really starting to separate. You can see it. Oh, and I wish you could see how well it's sparkled. Oh, look, there's a good example of all those. Can you see it? Like all of those separated bubbles and stuff. This one's really fun. Hopefully we'll get back to school and I'll be able to put it there on my desk for you to play with and see. But you'll really start seeing it separated and all those glitter and all those bubbles. But anyway, glue the lid shut, all right? Because you don't want, especially some little brother or sister, breaking this open and getting oil all over everything. Oh, look at how pretty that is. The silver with the different colors of blue. It sparkles so nicely. So pretty. Woo! All right, enjoy, guys. I miss you.